As we come to the end, man, as we come to the end, hey, it was only right, man. It was only right that I was able to land these joints. Let's jump straight into it.
It's a couple Jordan 1 retros and they gotta be in your collection. You just collect them, you never gon' step in. I can respect it, but that ain't for me. I gotta lace up these black cement threes and throw a little fit together. Get on the go, out, place a bid, and hopefully I can just hit forever. I'm from the bottom of the one to rap, but this part about culture, you gotta be fly. Ralph Lauren with the Air Forces, put that shit on to the day that I die. Nikes over Adidas.
What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy, DaRetroWizKid, the shoeologist, and y'all rocking with your boy in the sneaker dungeon, y'all. I appreciate everybody rocking out with your boy. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell. Head over to Instagram, follow your boy at DaRetroWizKid, posting them pictures for y'all. And y'all already know, man, y'all see the thumbnail, man. We ain't gonna sugarcoat it. We are here to look at these Sulfur joints, man. And I know it is the end. It is the end, man. It is the end. I was only able to hit on 3 of the Yeezys that dropped. Well, that's basically what I wanted. I wanted those that came out. I missed out on the other pair, the oil and the desert joints, you know, which look like, the deserts look like a regular boot. But, you know, when I first got my first desert boot ever, it was this pair right here. And these right here are just too fuego to me, man. So when I saw that they were bringing out more desert boots, I just wanted them all. When it came to my second boot that I ever had in my collection, it was this 950. Now, when these came out last year, finally returning OG type vibes with these, $600 really steep, and I went for them. I hit, you know, some people waited, you know, and I seen that they ended up bringing them back again on this last rotation. But this is definitely one to me that I feel like, especially for where I live in the Pacific Northwest, you can get great wears. Matter of fact, when I purchased these and I rocked them the first time, I have not put them back in the box. You know, even though now it's summertime, still, this one doesn't go back in the box. There's no point, because this was just an easy grab and go for me, especially on those days when it's raining outside and everything like that. It was just easy for me to just throw on. So I really like the Adidas Yeezy boots, and I must say, when it came to these knit runner boots, man, it was no difference. It was no difference. So let's jump into that. I must say, y'all see this right here. Adidas, y'all sent this gigantic box, G. This gigantic box. And I wouldn't even say that this box is bigger than the actual desert boot box. We're gonna size these up. I wouldn't even say, I may be a little bit taller, but as far as height, I feel like the desert boot box and this box are about the same. Okay, maybe just a slight bit difference as far as it, just a slight bit, man. Y'all can see what I'm talking about. We're gonna put them like this so you guys can see the difference, man. But I really don't think that it was the need to have like this crazy box. You guys can barely see this little area right here that we have that shows like the difference in it. But as far as height wise, yes, it does go straight over it. You know what I'm saying? But it wasn't really worth giving us that crazy bonus. Now, these originally came out, if I'm not mistaken, back in 2021. And you know, we're in 2024 now. This is one that I was actually surprised that they decided they wanted to bring this back. This is the Yeezy Knit Runner Boot, Sulfur. Now, these come in full sizes. So you had 11, you had 12. So I went on ahead and I went with a size 12 in these bad boys. And here we have the Yeezy Knit Runner Boot, y'all. These things are gigantic. I ain't gonna hold you, but hey, man, this is fire, and it is a waterproof boot. The design on these, of course, you see it says designed in USA. Then it also has the shoe size on there as well, and it says waterproof. So I think that this is definitely a fire, unique type of boot to have. Having the waterproof vibe out here in the Pacific Northwest is definitely something that I would say is worth having. I am gonna give you guys an example so you guys can see how the water just goes right off of these joints, man. But you know, crazy, kind of still gives off the knit runner type vibes as far as when you're looking at the knit runner shoe, just giving us a boot vibe to it. The nice rigid bottom on these is crazy. I think that that's just super fire. And I will say that this is a comfortable boot. I tried it on And, you know, recommendation on these is to go up. If you're a size 11 or 11.5, go with a 12. If you're 11.5 and you go with a size 12, you might, because I feel like they run small, I would even say that you might want to go up, because I'm a size 11 and I went all the way up to a size 12. So it is the first boot that I ever purchased in a size 12, and I'm happy that I went with the size 12. Now, nothing crazy to talk about as far as the color. Suggested retail on these $400. So pretty steep price, man, pretty steep price, but still cheaper than the $950. The only difference is I feel like these have more swag than the $950. I'm gonna just be honest with you. I feel like these have a crazier swag, and I feel like with this one right here, it just sticks out a little bit more with the Sulfur. And it looks like some designer type. You feel me? It looked like some shit that Kanye would have got an idea of doing a collaboration with Balenciaga or something with this one right here. So I love the vibes of this. Y'all let me know y'all's thoughts and opinions on these. We are going to throw these on feet, and I'm going to give you guys a couple different looks on feet with these, man. I'm going to hit you guys with some skinnies. I'm going to hit you guys with some over the shoe type vibes, or over the boot type vibes, should I say, because I mean, I feel like with this one right here, I ain't gonna wear no shorts with it. I'm gonna keep it a buck with y'all. I ain't gonna wear no shorts with it. That's just not me. I don't see myself wearing these with no shorts, so I ain't no point on me giving y'all an on feet with no shorts. But I just wanted to bring these out, man. Let me know, what was the last Yeezy that you guys picked up? Did you guys go after anything? I got one more that I'm gonna bring to the channel for you guys, and that will probably be the end of the dynasty with the Yeezys on the channel, man, because it's a couple Yeezys that I wouldn't mind getting my hands on, but I wanted everything for retail. Now that it's coming to an end, the only thing that I missed on that I really wanted to get was the Turtle Doves, and I wanted to get my hands, I ain't gonna lie, I wanted the boots, man. I wanted both pair of the other desert boots, and I would have even got my hands on the other boots. What is it? The insulated boots, the tall ones, the big ones that look like Eskimo boots. I wanted those, man, and I hope I said that right. I think they call it insulated boots. But the day that those released, you had so many other things releasing. I wanted the foams, the 450 slides, and I think the 450 slides, the Turtle Doves, and those all released on the same day. So I had to pick which one I wanted the most. I wanted the Turtle Doves. I couldn't get the Turtle Doves, so then I went for the slides. Slides was acting funny, and then I went for the other ones. I want to say that was all the same day, but it is what it is, man. We're gonna throw these bad boys on feet. We ain't gonna get back behind the camera. Enjoy the banger by the Broski Nemo Bands. Enjoy the look at the different looks with these. Comment down below. Let me know anything that you guys picked up as far as the Yeezy restocks were. Do you guys feel like this one right here looks more of a designer type vibe, or does it really look like something that Kanye would have made? I feel like this looks like some designer shit. You feel me? So that's my thoughts, that's my opinions. I'm standing with it, and I honestly feel like this is probably gonna be one of my favorite boots. I plan to get a lot of good wears out of these, and y'all gonna also see the waterproof test in this one. So y'all already know the vibes, man. It is your boy, DaRetroWizKid. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell. If you guys are returning to the channel, man, I appreciate all the love and support that I continue to get from each and every one of y'all. Like, comment, and subscribe. Until the next video, peace, love, in Laguna Beach, and we out this
I'ma
night.
leave it where it be. Leave that for a week and now I hear you for the streets. I ain't telling rumors, I'm just asking this for me. Used to ride the bus, but now you riding around for free. Sneaky link so much it made you sneakier than me. Right. Bought this girl jersey since she always round the team. Right. Brought you over early at the 6, you gotta leave. I ain't telling rumors, I'm just telling what I seen. Sneaky link so much it made you sneakier than me. Like we on the bus, you find me posted in the back bay. No seat belts while we drive, but we strap back. Swerving off the drink, feel the lean on the slacks, right? Lamborghini dreams, what you think? This a rat race. Your friends always loud up in the background. Don't know how to act, you cutting up for the snap now. Used to call you up and lay the smack down. Used to wake you up to smoke and fucking lay you back down, right? Hey, big checks, baby, no sweat. I want more checks for more sex. You want more wet, I want more wet. Leave that for a week and now I hear you for the streets. I ain't telling rumors, I'm just asking this for me. Used to ride the bus, but now you riding around for free. Sneaky link so much it made you sneakier than me. Right. Bought this girl jersey since she always round the team. Right. Brought you over early at the 6, you gotta leave. I ain't telling rumors, I'm just telling what I seen. Sneaky link so much it made you sneakier than me. I ain't want that bitch, she wanted me. Right. RP the dead, but we still got more to kill. When that smoke, there ain't no chill. When we pull up, it's for real. Right, I had a lot to drink, but I'm still behind the wheel. Say you ready where you live, got me heading over hills. Right. I'm a stunner just like Steve Austin. John Wall, I'm ballin', and some joggers, and my Jordans. Niggas hate it, they
can't afford it. Right, I'ma leave it where it be. Leave out for a week and now I hear you for the streets. I ain't telling rumors, I'm just asking this for me. Used to ride the bus, but now you riding around for free. Sneaky link so much it made you sneakier than me.